welcome back to SAK-SOON channel. Today I'm going to make a super cute little hamster squishy. You're gonna need some polymer clay. I'm gonna be using Super Sculpey because I have a lot of them. Paint. I suggest 3D fabric paint because it's more flexible. Pastel for coloring. I don't have it with me right now because I forgot it. Amazing mold putty. You can easily find it in the local art supply store, but I'm gonna leave a link below in the video description where you can buy it super cheap. And Hitohada Gel. This is some Japanese product and no one really sells it in the US, so I personally imported some of these straight from the manufacturer in Japan because I'm that awesome. Also check out the link below in the video description if you want to purchase it. And a cup of hot tea or green tea because I'm thirsty all the time. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with the polymer clay. Just make it super round. And it's gonna have two little pointy ears. I'm using a tool to blend the ear and the body. If you don't have any tool, that's fine. You can just use your hand like this. Taco, wake up! Hello. Taco. What's that? What's that, Taco? No. That's hot. That's hot tea. It's hot. And then I'm gonna add this tiny little tail. And then add arms and legs. Once you're done with shaping the hamster, bake in the oven or a toast oven if you have one. Nice. This is very well baked. Okay, let's open this box. This is quite a lot. Measure equal amounts for this yellow and white putty. Mix them thoroughly. It feels good. It's softer than regular clay. Press it against the figure from the top of it. And then let it cure for about 20 minutes. Okay, remove the original figure very carefully. Come out! There you go! You got a mold! Yay! Okay, you need scale again for this process. Let's open this box. Okay, in this box, it contains the base resin, the hardening agent, and some white powder. What you're gonna do now is scale the base resin and the hardening agent exactly to the ratio of 3:1. I don't know how much I need. I'm just gonna wing it. Maybe this much. And don't forget to scrape the bottom. I feel like this is more than how much I need. Oh well. This is so milky and creamy. Okay, I think this is enough. Pour it into the mold we made. Pour it halfway and then gently tap it to make sure there's no air bubble, especially at the end of the ears. Oh, perfect. Oh my god, what should I do? I have so many leftovers. I'm not sure how long it will take to get cured, but I'm just gonna let it sit here for about 6 hours. It's been 36 hours because I was busy. I'm sure it's fully cured. This is very sticky. Okay, take this out very gently. It's so sticky. Use this powder to get rid of the stickiness. Yay! You can also use the baby powder with no problem. And now I'm gonna use this puffy paint to give it some colors. Super squishy hamster and pudding squishies are all done. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this a thumbs up and comment below if you have any question. If you enjoyed this video, please share this video with your family and friends. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.